What is your product? Pan de kamote. Wow. Hi.
For the vlog, sir, cannot get twisted.
Malunggay sauce. Flower pots. Seashells, made of seashells. Ice cream. Banana beef, ice cream, and toppings.
Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day to learn, collaborate, and be inspired.
Absolutely, Miko. It's not every day that is represented as one. We're very excited to be host for this business lab presentation. Let them all, creating value, shaping solutions for tomorrow. Here at NCC to listen.
I am Nicole Galong from BSA Marketing Management.
I am Joel Harvey from BSA National Management.
And we'll be your friendly host who will guide you through today's event.
Bread made.
Let's start our program.
Okay, bread made pie.
And remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Today we gather to celebrate the creativity, hard work, and dedication of our students as they present their innovative business plans and products. This event is a testament to the college commitment to fostering entrepreneurship, innovation, and excellence.
Nagtitagan mi sa FM.
Okay. So, taco, Mr. Rice. Okay. So, pila mo sa grupo?
700.
Potato croissant. Potato croissant.
That's one of our biggest advantage of our product.
Side dish pod. Pwede siya ng side dish. Kasi gagawa sa inyo ang commercial. Kamukha mo rana. Kana ba sa video ba? Kamu rin gagama, anak. Nganong ang uban wala lagi? Naalagi mo? Pero wala siya required. Kamu rin nag-initiate, anak. Sige. Nanay plus points, wala.
Para nito sa'yo.
Apil. Kasi ngalanan niya si Kisaba.
Kisaba Royal.
So, cassava chips. Cassava chips, si Cassava Royal.